Hi and welcome back to Dr. Shatabdi's YouTube channel. So today I'm going to talk about the use of AI in medical writing. So this is a much asked question in medical writing, whether we can use AI in medical writing or not, how we can integrate AI into our medical and healthcare writing projects, and if it is ethical to do so. Uh, Different kinds of questions, and I absolutely understand the concern. Standing in 2026, we are in an era where we are seeing a huge change and evolution in the way we do medical writing, in the way we think about health related articles, and the way we are moving ahead. That having said, with my 6 years of experience as a medical writer, editor, reviewer, here are some things that I have figured out, and I would absolutely want to share them with you. Number one is, the question is not whether you use AI or not in medical writing, the question is how you are using it. So that is the first thing. The second thing is, you must be aware that different AI can be used for different purposes, and not all kind of AIs can actually help you, right? And the third thing is, you need to understand how to optimize the use of these different kind of AI tools so that you get the best output for your research and your medical writing projects. That having said, let me quickly give you three tools that I often use in my medical writing projects, and I think you also can absolutely explore them. So the first that I use is, in literature search, I use Perplexity. Perplexity is an AI tool that you can use to kind of find out the different literatures, the published papers, articles, and the best part of doing your literature search with the support of Perplexity is that it reduces the amount of time you need to trace out a paper. It reduces your efforts that you put in finding the link to the whole paper and reading the original paper. So it's already, when you ask Perplexity to kind of summarize or find papers for you, what it does is it gives you the direct hyperlinks, which is a great help. So yes, I use Perplexity to kind of find related papers, but you really need to understand how to prompt these different kind of AI tools to get the best output. If you want me to do a video on what prompting techniques I use and how to do it right to get the best output, I can absolutely do that for you, maybe in another video. But as of now, let me just quickly come back to what we are discussing today. So the second AI tool that I really want all of you to explore is NotebookLM. NotebookLM is powered by Google, and it's a very good assistant if you are summarizing or thinking about key takeaways from a paper. The best part of NotebookLM is that you can absolutely upload different resources. You can upload PDF papers, full articles, URL links, podcast links. You can absolutely, from different kind of resources, you can upload them, and you can ask NotebookLM to kind of summarize the key findings, summarize the main takeaways of the paper for you, to read the paper for you. So NotebookLM acts as a research assistant, summarizing kind of tool for that purpose, and it helps you to read a paper faster. And the third tool that I use sometimes, not very often, is Chatgpt. So I use Chatgpt to kind of brainstorm with me, to kind of expand upon my ideas, build upon my ideas. Think about it like talk with a colleague in medical writing field, and yeah, so kind of understanding whether the draft that I am creating is well rounded or not, whether I really have missed some important points or not, is there something that I really need to add to this draft, all these different kind of aspects. So there are other tools also that you can use in your medical writing projects, but these are the basic tools that you can go ahead and start exploring if you are very new to AI tools. And that having said, there are two things that I would really want you to remember. Number one is, always use your human brain to kind of review and understand whatever information you are getting from these AI tools, right? And the second thing is, never submit any of your drafts um, without at least reading it, going through it, understanding the data, understanding the numbers, understanding the statistics that you have put in. So it's very important. uh, so yes, that's it for today. I think when we start talking about AI, there is a lot of things that come to our mind, and there are a lot of things that we really want to talk about. So maybe I'll take up one them like I'll take them up one by one, and I'll go ahead and talk about them in other videos soon. But yes, as of now, just remember that you need to understand how to use AI and in which areas you can use AI. Of course, we cannot use AI in all phases of medical writing. That is something that we need to understand. But again, the future stands with those of us who kind of know how to integrate AI in our workflows and move ahead along with it, not without it. So yes, that's it for today. I'll see you with another topic on medical writing very soon. Till then, take care. Thanks and bye.